The word tsunami is a Japanese word represented as two characters, which are su means harbor and nami means wave. Tsunami is a set of an ocean wave caused by any large abrupt disturbance on the sea surface. If the disturbance is close to the coastline, local tsunami can demolish coastal communities within a minute. A very large disturbance can cause local devastation and export tsunamis destruction thousands of miles away. Tsunamis rank high on the scale of natural disaster. Since 1850 alone, tsunamis have been responsible for the loss of over 420,000 lives and billions of damage to coastal structures and habitats. Most of the casualties were caused by local tsunami that occur about once per year somewhere in the world. For example, the December 26, 2004 tsunami killed about 130 people close to the earthquake and about 58,000 people on distant shores. Predicting when and where the next tsunami will strike is currently impossible. Once the tsunami generated, forecasting tsunami's arrival and impact is possible through modeling and measurements technologies. The specific purpose of this talk are to inform about the tsunami's characteristic. Tsunami is a deep oceans, may have very long wave and of hundreds of kilometers and travels about 800 kilometers per hour and amplitude is only 1 kilometer. It remains undetected by ship in the deep sea. However, when it approaches the coast, its wavelength diminishes, but the amplitude grows enormously, and it takes very little time to reach its full height. Computer model can provide tsunami arrival, usually within minutes of the arrival times. Tsunami have a great erosion potential, stripping beach of the sands, coastal vegetation, and dissipating its energy through the destruction of house and coastal structure. Based on my research and reading, in the open ocean, tsunami would not be felt by the ship because of the wavelength would be the hundreds of miles long, with an amplitude at only a few feet. This would also make them unnoticeable from the air. As the wave approach the coast, their speed decrease and their amplitude increase. Usually wave height have been known to over 100 feet. However, waves that are 10 to 20 feet high can be very destructive and may cause many deaths or injuries. From an initial tsunami generating sources area, waves travel outbound in all the directions, much like the rippers caused by throwing a rock into the pond. As these waves approach coastal areas, the time between successive wave arrests varies of 5 to 19 minutes. The first wave is usually not the longest in the meters of wave, nor it is the most significant. Furthermore, one coastal community may experience no damaging wave while the other, located not that far away, may have experienced the destructive deadly wave. Depending on the number of factors, some low-lying areas could experience severe inland induction of water and debris of more than 1,000 feet.